Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's my first sunrise in the Caribbean. I'm in quarantine. It's supposed to be the sunrise at now. This is my hotel. I think it's coming here, you can see the red in the skies. This is typical Atlantic Ocean morning on the east coast of Grenada. This is my life, you know. Yep, I can see it, the sunrise. The sun will be coming up here in a minute. Nothing says welcome home like a nice sunrise by the ocean, eh? It's coming, I'm excited. Hopefully I get some content out from my time in Hargeisa. Coming soon, stay tuned to the channel, see what we get. The birds are coming to say hello. I see a marking bird, tropical marking bird. There you can see an Antillean crested hummingbird on a branch. A kingbird is singing in the distance. Within the West Indies, we could reach out and touch the coconut trees. I'm still waiting for the sunrise. If you can see me now, you would see one big smile on my face. There's a laughing gull just flew over. This is Cavier Beach. Usually a nice beach to hang out, real quiet, scenic location. Cavier Ocean Launch, pretty nice place to be. If you want somewhere quiet and still have the ocean, it's a good location. Attempt number 4 at the sunrise. Still no sun. It's getting bright but no sun. I think what happened is the sun risen, but the overcast is blocking it. You see the tide is receding. You can now see the sand through there. There's no one over here, so I could walk around. You can see some of the beach. Day 2 in quarantine, and the sun is sort of up, you know. First time seeing the Caribbean sun since March. I got the preliminary word I'll be out in a bit today. Just waiting for that phone call. I think I would want to jump in the ocean real soon, eh? Quarantine life, Grenada, happy to be home. Quarantine life ain't too bad, eh? That's the best mango so far. Bird life good too. man is home. South African Caribbean places. Oh man, I love home. Huh? Yeah, my body now that so I clear the quarantine. I'm going home. Look at my baby. Oh God, look at my baby. Look how nice she looks. I'm going to be happy to drive you around, eh? You see how clean he looks too? I mean, you know I wasn't in the island because I don't wash this van. Oh, look at my baby. Okay guys, so I'm cleared from quarantine. Back in the vet mobile. Not just because I'm feeling super, but they left my bags in the US in Miami. I was supposed to get them yesterday. Hopefully I get them today. Who knows? So that's the last clean shot I had. I'm heading home. It's kind of hot. Let me turn this on. Ha! I'm heading home. I'm happy, eh? So it's been 3 months since I've been home. I'm here. That's my quarantine journey. It'll probably be up before the other videos. Subscribe to the channel, eh? Like, a lot of stuff coming up. I got some new gears, get new equipment. Hopefully it'll be fun. Thank you for being part of this journey. Gonna try to get some of the stuff from Africa on the channel soon. Have some editing to do. But yeah, see you then. Thanks for tuning in.